Welcome back, you gorgeous and beautiful people from the internet. My name is MonzyCrypto, and today we're going to continue on with Clash of MOland. And let's hop right into this. So the previous video I couldn't really continue on, and the main reason was because my dailies was the problem, and also we didn't have this research up, the territory capacity increased by 1. So right now we're gonna just claim all of that and continue on with what we need to do. So territorial expansion needs to get done. So let's hop into that. We need to get 5 more territories over here. So let's maybe see where's a lot of at least level 1s or 2s that we still don't have. We can go for this one, Conquer. Don't auto-recall. I'm gonna just pause here. It's 35 seconds of wasted time, so let's get into it. Okay, so we are close enough now. If I click on the orcs right here, you can see that if we challenge anything inside this red lines, we are going to also kill them, I think. So, let's see. Five more seconds left. Hopefully the orcs disappear. And we might actually get extra loot for it. No, we did not. So that's kind of weird. Orc sentinels prowl around the Tower of Trials, attacking anything that comes too close, defeating them, get resources, and reserve units. So they are walking over here as well, and they are not claiming back the territory or taking over the territory. So we are still Gucci. So yeah, we're gonna just leave that then, because it's not needed to do anything to attack them or damage them of any kind or anything like that. So we're just gonna get our 5 territories over here. You know, we could also just take like ground where there's nothing on, because you still get something out of it, right? If we click on this, you can see I'm getting plus 100 per hour of that, which is not great, but you still get something, you know? So let's continue on with all the level 2 territories. We're starting on 23 out of 25 right now. And will be 24, 25, and then this level 1 maybe, or the level 2, depending on how much HP we have left. I think that we're almost halfway. And there we go. Pretty much halfway. So now that we're gonna fight this one right here, I'm gonna just say auto recall. So conquer and then auto recall. And then it will walk back to our main city. And then we can also give extra units to it, and then it will be great. So we could just claim this right now. We have 25 territories, and then we can claim chapter 5, which gives 30,000 gold and another scroll and stuff, which is great. So territory expansion, get to level 2. So City Hall has reached, so we can unlock this with 10,000 gold. I'm gonna press unlock over here, and you can see that there's so much more resources we could get now. An extra tower and stuff like that. Level 5 areas, that's crazy. So we did that, unlocked that. So tech research, troops capacity level 1. I want to see here. Upgrade troop capacity level 1. Troop capacity level 1. So this one right here. We need to reach Academy level 5 first. So I'm gonna go to the Academy. It's level 1 still. We need to reach level 5. That is insane, dude. That is really crazy. So we'll just start working on that. Then we have territorial expansion. Conquer level 4 or above territories. Wow. We need to just do one of that. Territorial expansion. Conquer level 4 above territories. We need to... Okay, that is 5 of them. Castle upgrade. So let's see if we can go to level 7. Yes, we can. That will take 4 hours. And then also, if I can upgrade my warehouse, I'm going to just do that right now as well. We need some stones. So that is pretty much what we could do then for the day, I believe. Information. So this right here will just get done over time. This is not something I could force. Unless I upgrade all of this, but it's not needed. You know? We just need a little bit more stone. That'll upgrade my warehouse, and that will... Then we'll be able to inkeep a lot more of these resources up here. I think the other thing we could do is do some summons right here. We have one free one anyway. Retire. We have 5 more scrolls, so let's just summon 5 times. All of them is blue. There we go. We finally got a purple one. So we got one more purple unit that we could use somewhere. 300 gold. And then this summon, I think... Oh, it takes red scrolls. And then this one will take MOBOX. So preview is you can get red ones. But I don't think your chances is good for the red ones, to be honest. And then I think this red scroll is only red ones, right? You'll only get red. Oh, you have a chance to get legendary also. Well, legendary is red. You have a chance to get an epic and a chance to get red. Where with the MOBOX, you can get lower than that, so it doesn't seem that appealing, to be honest, because you can go lower than that. Oh, I clicked wrong button. See, you can go as low as blue. So blue, then purple, then gold, and then red. So not the greatest if you do summons with MOBOX. Also, something I want to talk about is the monument over here. So if you guys don't know, every time you lock in or bind a card, which is gold or red, you'll be able to receive MOBOX and mech. Now the mech resets every single season, where the MOBOX does not. Okay, so if you want to compare it, it's something like Change the Arena. And then we'll be able to read over here, seasonal, let's see, by binding epic or legendary heroes, you can permanently lift your MOBOX cap and season mech cap. Season mech cap equals MOBOX cap times 150%. That is exactly like Change the Arena. You can regularly collect MOBOX earnings from the monument. MOBOX will cease to produce once the cap is reached. The regular collected mech earnings at the monument mech will cease to be produced once the season cap is reached. See, so every season it does reset. You can regularly collect mech earnings at the monument. The monument generates MOBOX and mech proceeds every 30 minutes. MOBOX and mech will cease to be produced once the daily cap is reached. Production will resume after the player claims it. Mech progress for a season reset when season ends. So there it's confirmed. The higher the monument level is, the faster MOBOX and mech will be produced. So you can also level this up and receive more mech. You receive more mech per 30 minutes before you have to claim it again. So you can increase your monument over here and receive a lot more of that, which is pretty nice. Don't need to read that at all. So yeah, that is pretty much what we could do for the day. However, my academy needs to reach level 5, so I'll do that off stream. I also feel like upgrading the warehouse, to be honest. So if I do get enough resources, I will also increase the warehouse. And the reason being is because it will just be able to hold more per day. So if I only upload the next day, will be maxed out to like 400,000 of each. And with that, we'll be able to generate a lot more easier, if that makes sense. So this needs to get reached level 5, I believe. Troop capacity, yeah, needs to be level 5. So yeah, there's a lot right now that I can't do. So let's just go on to the dailies. Summon the hero. Okay, we did that. We have participated in arena 3 times. Can't do that yet because we need to be City Hall level 7, which will be most probably tomorrow. So that's going to be good. Lottery draw, resource collection. So resource collection. That's something we could do. Level 2, that is generating that resource. Let's see over here. If I just wander out a little bit. I want stone. I want stone. Here we go, that's stone. So I'm gonna just select gather over here, replenish all, and then go for that. I don't know if we could though, because we might not be able to. We might not have enough scrolls or something, but we'll see. And it's also level 2, so it's not going to be that easy to get. If we struggle with this one, we'll go to this one right here. That's a level 1. So send out units right now to there. Then, oh, I could have just selected my dailies over here. The forger, forge equipment 1 time. We still can't do that because we need to be level 7 with our city hall. So that daily still can't get done. Wonder if you get something you finished all dailies. I don't think you do though. Gain 600 prestige. So we could actually create another troop. Just have these 2 units in it. Auto assign. And we can maybe level up this guy a little bit though. Because he's going to be solo in this one. But that's a lot more. So increase hero's own magic attack by 18%. I think... oh, you can star up your units as well. You see, mage is main damage. So if I close this and I change this, where do I change it? If I change the troops to mages, I think my guy will do a lot more damage. So then we'll just say this one, gather, and we'll select troop number 2, right? And gather. So we're gathering this from right here. You can see the speed right there, resources and stuff like that. So we are collecting this as fast as possible. Getting as much stone as we can right now is the only way. So upgrade euro is also a daily, so we'll definitely upgrade a euro every day. I don't think they have to go up 1 level, to be honest, but yeah. So yeah, we'll just get as much stone as possible. I'll just keep an eye on this, see what we could do, and then yeah, we'll just continue on once I can actually finish most of this. And like I said before, I really would like to increase also the capacity we can hold. So we want to increase the warehouse once more, so that when I do play the game once per day, we have a lot of resources to use per day, right? I think that will be the best way to do it. Also, I'll try and reach with my academy to level 5, so I can actually get this bad boy up here. But yeah, we'll see what we could do. Anyway, guys, that's going to be the video for today. If you guys did enjoy, please remember to leave a like, subscribe if you are new. And let's see what happens in the next video. Love you guys, take care, and as always, remember to twist some nips. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.